In this guide, I'm going to show you how to add WhatsApp button to your Instagram profile. So a WhatsApp button on your profile makes it easy for people to contact you. Go ahead and open your Instagram application on your device. Tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the Instagram app. Now select the three lines in the top right corner. Click on Account Types and Tools. Switch your account to Professional, and once it's done, go to your profile, click on Edit Profile option. Now scroll down and go to the section of contact information. Scroll down and go to the section of contact options. Go ahead and select it. You need to have WhatsApp Business installed on your phone and download the WhatsApp Business app and transfer your account if you haven't already. Choose your WhatsApp number or enter a different one. Tap on send code and then enter the code to verify your number. And now when you return to your profile, you might not see the button yet. Tap on edit profile again, scroll down to profile display and toggle on the display contact info. Tap on the check mark to save or the toggle icon and go back to your profile, and the WhatsApp button should now be visible. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.